your girl Kaela, Tiara, and I'm here because I'm going to be reviewing some Glow Girl cosmetics, and I'm gonna be trying to do like an ombre look with one of these, and then we're just gonna look at the other one because I don't really know like what kind of ombre look you can do with black. I'm pretty sure somebody can probably do something, but I couldn't think of anything. So yeah, I'm gonna open these on camera. So the first one I have is the Netflix Glow Girl. My boyfriend told me it's like based off a show, but I didn't know what he's talking about. So yeah, this is Blue Magic Satin. I like the casing, it's really cute. Let's see. Ooh, it's not black, y'all, it's blue. That's cute. Okay, so we have like this blue. I think I'm gonna do like ombre with the black and blue then. I think that'd be cute. And then I have this other one. It's just like Glow Girl Cosmetics. And then, ooh, this is really pretty. This is Dopeness Satin. I really like it. It kind of matches my lip color now. I like it. I like it a lot. I didn't like practice this on camera, so if this is like a fail, sorry. So the first thing I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try doing the ombre with like this black eyeliner and then with a blue and see how that turns out. I don't know how that's gonna look. But, man, she really saved my makeup. Like, beat my knee. You're great. I love you. Yeah, I'm just wow. Okay, let's go. So this is like, I really like it. It's really blue. It kind of like complements my eyeshadow a little bit in a weird way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this black and just like line my lips. This is like nothing's going on. I don't know. This is like cheap. What if I tried it with like eyeliner? Would y'all shame me? No, I'm kind of contemplating it. All right, now it's kind of starting to act right. Good job. I either gonna look like the Grinch or Keith. So I'm gonna take this blue and kind of like just fill it in. Okay, so this is not, oh, this is satin. Okay, it's not matte. I thought it was matte. Okay, it like that. It's different. I mean, it's definitely like bold. I'm gonna clean that up, but it's definitely like I don't know how hard this like. I don't know. Like I feel like I look like a blueberry. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about this one. Comment what y'all think. I don't really like it. Maybe it's my makeup that I already have on. I'm gonna try to. I should definitely stop being lazy and get my foundation. Honey, where is Okay, so if I were to just like try this on, yeah, I probably have to see what a different makeup look, but for now, I don't really like it. Comment what y'all think. I think it's because of my makeup. Probably something else would be cute, and that black eyeliner ombre thing I was trying to do, yeah, it wasn't working. Okay, on to the next color. So now I'm gonna try my other ombre look. Hopefully, this will look better, because I don't think that was cute. It was probably me. Probably not even Go Girl. It's probably me. But I really like the color. Like I feel like with my makeup a different way, it would look cute. So I'm gonna line this with this matte Super Stay, and then I'm gonna fill it in with Go Girl and see what happens. This is what I usually do when I'm creating like ombre looks. I don't know if it's ghetto, but sometimes it comes out really cute. So yeah. Sometimes it is possible. It's usually easier with like the matte lipsticks. So this is what it looks like without it being filled in. I think you guys have an idea what I'm trying to do. Okay, yeah, that's not. Girl, hold on. Yeah, I done did something. I did. I ain't the first to do it, but I done did something. Honey, child, boo boo. This is cute. It looks like perfectly ombre, and I did it so messy. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this a lot. Yeah, this is cute. This was the shade Dopeness in Satin. I really like it as a ombre like look with the other one. This is really cute. So comment below which one you like better, or if you guys want me to do a tutorial with just like a face catering to one of these lip socks, lipsticks. Yeah, so comment below what you guys want to see next. If you guys seen my previous hair video, this is day 1. Well, like I did it last night, and then yeah, so yeah, it's holding up pretty good. Cream of Nature review before this video. But yes, I like this ombre look. I really like it. But yeah, comment below what y'all think. I want to know, because I don't know if other people do that, or am I the only one who does that? But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. It's your girl Kaela, Tiara, and we out. Peace.